सक्सेस होम ट्यूटर एक भरोसेमंद गारंटीड होम ट्यूशन है और ये होम ट्यूशन के अलावा ऑनलाइन टीचिंग का भी एक प्लेटफॉर्म तैयार कर चुकी है। तो ऑनलाइन ट्यूशन और स्टूडेंट्स के लिए एक होम ट्यूटरिंग ये जो सारे फैक्टर्स है इसमें अवेलेबल है। तो इस सक्सेस होम ट्यूटर को आप ज्वाइन करें और अपना जो फ्यूचर है वो ब्राइट करें। तो इसी तरह हम इस सक्सेस एजुटेक और होम ट्यूटर इनको अपनाए, यही विनती आप सबके लिए।
Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Success EDUTECH. I'm Prashant. Today we are watching some GK quiz, current quiz and their answers. Listen carefully and pay attention. Now I am starting my session. First question. India's first of its kind solar energy driven miniature train has been inaugurated in which city? Option A Mumbai, option B Ahmedabad, option C Varanasi, and option D is Thiruvananthapuram. The right option is here, option A Mumbai. Second question. Luri Stage, one hydropower project which was seen in Newry recently is located in which state? Option A Uttar Pradesh, option B Himachal Pradesh, and option C Bihar, option D Assam. Correct answer is option B Himachal Pradesh. In which country of 500-meter high coral reef has been discovered for the first time in 120 years? Option A India, option B Australia, option C Japan, and option D Brazil. The correct answer is here Australia, option B. Fourth question. Tinsukia, where Oil India made natural gas discovery, is located in which state? Option A West Bengal, option B Jharkhand, option C Assam, and option D Bihar. The correct answer is in here. Option C Assam. Hindon Airport, which was seen in news recently, is located in which state? Option A Gujarat, option B Uttar Pradesh, option C Himachal Pradesh, and option D Assam. The correct option is option B Uttar Pradesh. Pagwara, where the Food Processing Minister inaugurated a mega food park (MFP), is located in which state? Option B Punjab. Chandrabhaga Beach, which is the venue of International Sand Art Festival 2020, is located in which state? Option B Odisha. Petrodava Dashi Fortress is a famous archaeological landmark located in which country? Option B Romania. Ninth question. Durangana coal mine, which became commercially operational recently, is located in which state? Option A West Bengal, option B Jharkhand, option C Odisha, Option D, Telangana. Option C, Odisha is the correct answer. Dosuko Valley, which recorded a massive wildfire, is located on which border? Manipur, Nagaland, Assam, Manipur, Sikkim, Assam, Meghalaya. The correct option is Manipur, Nagaland. So, dear students, we have watched today the most important quiz, current quiz, and their answers. So, now I am stopping my lecture. Namaskar.